Well, it's been a long time since I've seen so many Jamaican football fans get excited by the mere naming of a national squad. This is the case with the Reggae Boys 24-man squad announced for the two upcoming games against El Salvador and the USA. For the first time since the start of the qualifying campaign, Coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore has selected what could be seen as his best possible squad. The squad kind of top-heavy still, with about 8 or 9 strikers and forwards, and as usual, weak in midfield, especially with the absence of Tariq McGee and Daniel Johnson. But these are the soldiers that Coach Tapper Whitmore want to carry to war, and assuming everyone remains healthy and all invited players take up the offer, me not see why this squad cannot take all 6 points from El Salvador and the USA. You know what I mean? The real pressure now is on Coach Tapper Whitmore to get things right, 180 plus minutes across 2 games, and get the results that the quality of this squad and these players deserve. Yes. You know what I mean?